Hey again, everybody. Monday morning, November 17th. Astro Excel chart coming down off this overnight high. Market's following the blue line early here. We've got good movement on the green line this week where we are peaking out here and moving down into the 18th here at 12:30. Then we turn up from about minus 15 area and get a push into the 20th all the way up to the high area there at about 3:40 a.m. This is the 15-minute view. You see we've got more wiggles in the lines with the tighter view, and then we're down into neutral territory as we head into Friday this week. The moon spikes on the blue line. We got 1600 this afternoon, and then about 1 a.m. on this high there. Then we don't have another one till we move into the 19th here, and that's about 1 a.m. there. Next one up is on the 20th. We're really flat in between those two peaks there. We've got the 20th at 2 a.m. and then the last one's going to be Friday morning at about 2 a.m. again, between 2 and 2:30. So that's what the Astro Excel looks like. So we've got pressure down through today and tomorrow, and that pressure starts to turn up tomorrow just after noon.